In a cocktail shaker with no ice, add 1 ounce of cherry cinnamon simple syrup, 2 ounces of spiced rum, 1 ounce of fresh cherry juice, and 1 ounce of pasteurized egg white. Dry shake the cocktail without ice to emulsify and build a foam. Then add ice and shake until chilled. Pour into your cocktail glass and garnish with a maraschino cherry and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Congratulations! You have just made the Cherry Rum Ball Flip, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Enjoy and cheers, my dears.